Ollie and the Princess Portal, the Frozen Mountain. Ollie returned to the magical library, the hourglass glowing warmly in his hands. Tonight, a new book pulsed on the highest shelf, radiating icy blue light. The guardian of stories appeared beside him. "This tale speaks of a mountain trapped in eternal frost," the guardian said softly. "A brave princess struggles to melt its icy grip, but something holds her back. Will you help her?" Ollie nodded. "I'm ready." As soon as he touched the glowing book, the hourglass flashed, and the library vanished in a swirl of snowflakes. Ollie landed in a frosty forest at the base of a towering mountain. The wind howled and the air shimmered with frost. A princess in a flowing silver cloak stood nearby, her gloved hands stretched toward the peak. Despite her efforts, the ice only thickened. She turned, startled by Ollie's arrival. "Who are you? Did the wind bring you here?" "I'm Ollie, and I'm here to help," he replied, showing her the hourglass. "What's wrong with the mountain?" "The Frost King cursed it," she explained. "I must climb to the peak and melt the heart of the ice to free my kingdom. But his magic grows stronger with every step I take." Ollie thought quickly. He noticed the hourglass sands already slipping. "We need to find another way," he said, scanning the forest. Just then, a tiny snow hare hopped into view, carrying a small crystal key in its mouth. The princess gasped. "That's the key to the Frost King's hidden mirror. It reflects his magic. If we find it, I can break the curse." Ollie and the princess followed the snow hare through the forest, climbing through icy caves and across frozen streams. The cold nipped at their faces and the wind grew fiercer, but they pressed on. Snowflakes danced around them like tiny stars, and the crunch of snow beneath their feet echoed in the stillness. The hourglass glowed faintly, urging them onward. Finally, they reached a hidden chamber deep inside the mountain, its walls glimmering like frosted glass. In the center of the chamber stood the Frost King's mirror, its surface swirling with dark magic. The Frost King himself appeared, his icy robes billowing like storm clouds. "You dare challenge my power?" he thundered, his voice echoing through the chamber like a blizzard. Ollie stepped forward, heart pounding. "You can't stop us," he declared. The Frost King laughed, his breath forming frosty clouds. But Ollie noticed something. His reflection in the mirror was faint and flickering, as though the mirror itself held his strength. "Your power comes from the mirror," Ollie whispered to the princess. She nodded, lifting her hands to summon a warm, golden light. But as the Frost King's icy magic lashed out, the princess faltered, her light dimming under the storm of cold. Ollie glanced at the hourglass. Only a few grains of sand remained. His mind raced. He spotted jagged shards of ice scattered near the mirror's base. "Distract him," Ollie called to the princess. Summoning her courage, the princess raised her hands again, her light flaring brightly. The Frost King snarled, turning his focus toward her. With quick steps, Ollie grabbed a shard of ice and darted toward the mirror. The Frost King's cold wind whipped around him, but Ollie pressed on. With a swift motion, he struck the mirror's surface with the shard, and the mirror cracked. A brilliant light burst forth, and the Frost King roared as his power dissolved into the air. The icy walls of the chamber began to melt, revealing glimmers of green and gold beneath. The mountain rumbled softly as its frost lifted, and the air grew warmer with every passing moment. The princess smiled, her silver cloak shimmering as the warmth of her magic filled the chamber. "Thank you, Ollie. You freed my kingdom. The Frost King's grip is gone forever." Before Ollie could reply, the hourglass flashed, and he was pulled back to the magical library. The guardian appeared, its eyes twinkling with pride. "Well done, Ollie. The Frost King's reign has ended, and the princess's light has restored her kingdom." Ollie grinned, but his thoughts were already on the next glowing book. "What's the next story?" The guardian's smile grew. "You'll find out soon enough. But for now, rest. Your adventures are only beginning." As Ollie sat beneath the towering shelves, he knew there were more princesses to help, more villains to outsmart, and more tales to rewrite for good. With the hourglass in hand and his heart full of courage, he was ready for whatever came next. The end.